Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to easily convert a 30 FPS video into 60 FPS just like this. Introducing Wondershare UniConverter 16. I'll show you how in just a few steps using Wondershare UniConverter 16. It's quick, easy, and makes a big difference. Let's jump right in. This is the main interface of Wondershare UniConverter 16. Here, you will find various tools designed to make your video editing easier and more efficient. Click on Video Enhancer AI. This model can convert low frame rate videos to high frame rate ones up to 240 FPS, making them smoother and clearer in detail. And now click on Frame Interpolation. Here you have two options, but I will select 2x60 FPS. Let's check the sample. Click on Sample. Click on Frame Interpolation. Select 60 FPS. Click on Preview. Wait for Analyzing File. You can see the result before and after. Just click on Export. GPU acceleration for fast conversion. And now click on Frame Interpolation. Click on 60 FPS. Import your 30 FPS video. Click on 60 FPS. Click on Preview. Wait for Analyzing File. Wait for the result after exporting. Click on Export. GPU acceleration for fast conversion. Congratulations, you've successfully converted a 30 FPS video into 60 FPS. You can see the result. Click on the first link in the description and you will be redirected to the official Wondershare UniConverter website, where you can start your free trial. Thanks for watching.